In this video, I'll show you how to send ton from Tonkeeper to OKX. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Let's say if you have some ton in your Tonkeeper and you love to send it to your OKX wallet, what you need to do now, you need to click on this Tonkeeper, click on send, then go back, open your OKX wallet. So I'm going to come on, I'm going to type in OKX. So I'm going to click on it. Once this has opened up, I'm going to click on this search. I'm going to click on that search to type in I'm going to click on that search to type in ton. Okay, yeah, so once this has showed up, what you need to do now, if you look at the left side of the screen, you're going to be able to see your ton address. So click on it to copy your address. Go back, open your Tonkeeper, paste the address here, paste the amount you want to send, and enter the comment you got from OKX. This is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.